Turn your passion for dance into a thriving career. A career in dance isn't just about performing. You can become a choreographer, dance instructor, fitness instructor, or even a movement therapist. Whether you want to earn an associate's degree in dance or simply learn some new skills, the dance program at Truckee Meadows Community College offers various technique and theory classes, all structured to provide you with a historical perspective, contemporary relevance, and scholarly insight while also sharpening your skills in the physical practice and artistry of dance. Explore styles including ballet, jazz, tap, and modern dance. Led by experienced instructors dedicated to helping you shine. Audition-based performance opportunities are available for student dancers and choreographers. Competitive salaries vary by specialty and location, and learning potential will grow with experience. Take your first step towards a bright future in the dance industry and enroll in TMCC's dance program today.